Welcome to 1416 Paddocks Court in Crownsville, Maryland. A beautiful enclave of homes, secluded but close to everything, and we're going to tour this gorgeous listing right now. Immediately impressed with the two-story foyer here. It's a gorgeous space and it opens nicely into the dining room and then into the other living spaces. And right through these doors into the sunroom, we've got gorgeous crepe myrtle giving us cover and privacy. They love to sit in this room. They'll watch the morning news, sip their coffee, or play a game of cards in the evening with the kids. It's a great space. It's a flexible space. It can be anything you want. But I definitely would never leave this room if it were my house. This chef's kitchen has all of the bells and whistles, starting with this oversized island with room to cook and entertain. And then you have these beautiful 42-inch custom maple cabinets. This color is, this honey tone is so of the moment right now. We have an 8 gas burner range here and a hood vent, all of the luxurious things that you would want in your kitchen. And I love the pass-through where you can talk to your guests sitting over here or keep an eye on the kiddos that might be playing. Welcome to the owner's suite. It's a spacious room, light-filled, overlooking the private backyard. And we have tray ceilings, recessed lighting, and over here, we have a sitting room, complete with a wet bar where you could enjoy that first cup of coffee in the morning or that last glass of wine in the evening. Let's check out the bathroom. This spa bath is done in neutral tones with lovely, luxurious materials, the custom tile, the dual vanities. There's a stall shower with a glass enclosure and a nice soaking tub. Have a lovely deck right off of the kitchen dining room area, and the homeowner loves to sit out here and just enjoy each other's company, have their friends and family over, have a barbecue, just cuddle up after a long day. And then right off of the porch here is the swimming pool. We have a beautiful gunite Pebble-Tec swimming pool and all of this entertaining space around. These guys, they have a lot of parties and it's private back here. They have a big flat backyard. They can entertain all year round out here. But obviously this is the best time of year to have this home and enjoy this swimming pool. Thanks for coming and touring this beautiful property with us. Now you guys can show yourself out. I'm going to enjoy some lemonade by this beautiful pool.